Hello everyone, welcome back to the channel. In this video I'm going to show you top 5 best free video editing software in 2025. So here are the top best free video editing software option in 2025. First out of the list is DaVinci Resolve. DaVinci Resolve is a professional grade software, offer advanced editing, color correction, visual effect, and audio post production. It's perfect for aspiring filmmaking and content creators seeking for powerful tools. You can also use OpenShot. OpenShot is known for its user-friendly interface. OpenShot provides basic editing features, transition effect, and audio editing, and it's ideal for beginners, casual user, and educational projects. You can also use Shortcut. Shortcut is an open source video editor that supports a wide range of formats. You can also use iMovie, which is an exclusive to Mac. If you are a Mac user, which is Apple user, you can also get this installed on your Mac OS. You can also use the Heat Film Express. Heat Film Express is a software combined video editing with visual effect and compositing capability, with ideas for content creators interested in special effects and motion graphics. These tools offer a range of features to cater into different needs and skills level. Give them a try today, then can tell later which one works best for you, and that's it. Find this video helpful, turn on the notification button and follow for more. Thank you.